Imagine waking up in a cozy Bulgarian village, nestled in the peaceful hills of northeastern Bulgaria. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself stepping outside your front door to a soft breeze, the scent of wildflowers on the air, and the sound of nature all around. You breathe deeply, taking in the fresh air of the countryside, and as your eyes wander over the view, you realize this could be your life. Welcome to Cherkovna. Welcome to your new cozy Bulgarian home. This property offers more than just walls and a roof. It's a retreat, a haven, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Whether you're looking for a peaceful countryside getaway, a place to retire in tranquility, or a charming base to explore the beauty of Bulgaria, this house is the perfect match for you. Just 15 minutes from Razgrad, a town filled with local amenities and vibrant culture, Cherkovna offers the best of both worlds, peace and accessibility. So, what makes this Bulgarian house so special? Let's step inside. As you cross the threshold, the warmth of the home welcomes you. The interior has been thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind. The two bedrooms are generously sized, each offering plenty of natural light and space. Imagine yourself waking up here, surrounded by the quiet of the countryside, with only the sound of birds and rustling leaves to greet you. Each bedroom is a peaceful retreat. Soft colors, inviting linens, and rustic charm blend perfectly with the modern conveniences you need to feel at home. Whether it's your master suite, a cozy guest room, or an art studio or office, these rooms adapt to your needs. The house also features two bathrooms, one conveniently inside and the other outdoors, giving you flexibility and privacy. Whether you're hosting family and friends or enjoying a quiet moment alone, these bathrooms offer all the space you need. And with a charming stone basement beneath the house, you have plenty of space for storage, a wine cellar, or creative workshop. Now let's step outside, because the real magic of this home is in the garden and the wide veranda. The moment you step onto the long veranda, you are greeted by stunning panoramic views of the rolling hills, green pastures, and fruit orchards that surround the village. It's the kind of view that instantly takes your breath away. Imagine enjoying a cup of coffee at sunrise, the soft light casting a golden hue over the landscape. Or perhaps in the evening, sipping a glass of wine as the sun dips behind the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink, orange, and lavender. The large veranda offers plenty of space for relaxation, dining, or simply soaking in the beauty of nature. The 1,800 square meter garden offers even more possibilities. This is your chance to grow your own vegetables, cultivate flowers, or tend to the orchard with fruit trees that bloom each season. It's an idyllic setting where you can make your mark, create a personal sanctuary in your own backyard, or simply enjoy the freedom that so much space provides. And just beyond your garden is the village of Cherkovna itself. The village is small but welcoming, with a close-knit community that will make you feel at home from the moment you arrive. The village offers everything you need to live comfortably: a local shop, a charming bar, and a post office, all just a short stroll away. Everything is within reach, yet you're far enough away from the noise and stresses of urban life. Surrounded by fields and meadows, the village is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, walking, and yoga are just some of the activities you can enjoy right outside your door. Picture yourself exploring the beautiful nature trails or just walking through the countryside, reconnecting with nature in a way that only rural Bulgaria can offer. And yet, when you're ready to head into town, Razgrad is only 15 minutes away, offering everything you need for modern living: restaurants, shops, healthcare services, and more. Cherkovna gives you the perfect balance of serenity and accessibility. Now that you've seen the property and explored the village, it's time to talk about the bigger picture. Because purchasing this charming Bulgarian property isn't just about finding a house. It's about embracing a new way of life. And with Nyama Problemi Limited, your journey toward that dream is in expert hands. At Nyama Problemi Limited, we pride ourselves on providing comprehensive support to buyers like you. We understand that purchasing property abroad can feel overwhelming, but with us by your side, it's a smooth and enjoyable experience. Let's walk you through how we can help. When you contact Nyama Problemi Limited, we start by guiding you through the entire process, from viewings to legal paperwork. We're here to ensure everything is transparent, clear, and secure. We'll arrange personalized viewings based on your preferences and provide valuable insights into the local market, ensuring you get the best possible property for your needs. Once you've decided on your dream home, we'll introduce you to our trusted legal partners, who will ensure that the buying process is straightforward and stress-free. We help you with everything from property registration to understanding local property laws, so you never have to worry about a thing. And if you're planning to spend part of the year away from your new home, we offer full property management services. From managing tenants to organizing maintenance and cleaning, we ensure your home stays in excellent condition, whether you're living there or not. If the home requires renovations or repairs, we connect you with reliable contractors who can carry out work to your exact specifications. We're here to make sure your investment is protected and that every detail is handled with care. At Nyama Problemi Limited, we don't just sell houses, we provide full-service support to ensure you have the best possible experience from the moment you inquire to the day you step through the door of your new home. Whether you need help with furniture sourcing, cleaning services, insurance, or airport transfers, we've got you covered. We'll even assist with relocation services, helping you settle into your new community, open a local bank account, find medical care, and more. So, are you ready to take the next step toward owning this charming house in Cherkovna? Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat, a permanent home, or an investment opportunity, this property offers everything you could possibly want and more. Contact Nyama Problemi Limited today, and let's start making your Bulgarian dream come true.